Hey guys, welcome back to another new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add your sitemap. Okay, so right now I am into my Google Search Console dashboard, and this is my website powerfultutors.com, and this is the submitted sitemaps. Its status right now success. There is no problem at all, but just showing you how you can do as your own. So first of all, I am just removing these sitemaps. Okay, so two parts in this video. The first one is how we can remove the current sitemap and how we can add. Okay, also as a beginner you can follow the steps. Number two, how we can add easily sitemaps. Okay, here you can see three dots over here. You will see pages indexing, video pages indexing, but right now nothing is over here. So click on here and you will see the open sitemap over here. So click on open sitemap. So this is how you can check your sitemap. So sitemaps for post, page and web stories. Okay, so click on post sitemaps and you will see all the posts you have already published. Okay, so this is the sitemap. It works 100%. It's okay. So let's go back to sitemap section. Okay, so the first thing is that we just want to remove this sitemap and we just want to update. Okay, how we can do this? So first of all we have to remove. So click on three dot and you will see remove sitemap. Okay, so just click on remove sitemap. Alright, remove. So right now we don't have any sitemap here. We already removed our current sitemap. Okay, and this time we have to add a new sitemap. So let's go back to our sitemap section and just press shift and left arrow and just copy this section. Alright, and let's go back to sitemap and just paste the sitemap over here and click on submit. Submitting sitemap. Map submitted successfully. Google will periodically process it and look for changes. You will be notified if anything goes wrong with it in the future. So click on dismiss. Here you can see submitted today August 2 2025. Last read, status success, and when you see discovered pages, that's mean the number of pages already indexed and they find. Okay, so don't worry at all, you will see the results over here. The main thing is that just successfully we have done or we have submitted our sitemaps. That's the main thing. Okay guys, so hope you find this video is helpful, and if you have any queries about Google Search Console, okay, so comment below, and don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel to get the updates and different kind of things like blogging, YouTube, website, crypto, or any other making money online stuffs. Okay, so thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a good day.